This is my Father's world, and to my listening ears, all nature sings, and round me rings the music of the spheres. This is my Father's world. I rest me in the thought of rocks and trees, of skies and seas. His hands the wonders wrought. This is my mother's world. The birds their carols raise. The morning hours with dewy flowers declare her wondrous ways. This is my mother's world. She shines in all that's fair. In the rustling grass I hear her pass. She speaks to me everywhere. This is my Savior's world. Oh, let me ne'er forget that though the wrong seems often strong, God is the ruler yet. This is my Savior.